flavorful. 10 out of 10.
But can Myeongdong keep this up? We are in the middle of our 6 days journey through Seoul, and it was time to hit up the famous walking street known for its neon lights, high energy, and amazing night culture. And the culture most people come to Korea looking for. The fried, crispy, sugar-dusted japchae loving culture. We are the Blazing Travelers, and this is Country 35. We are here to see if this nightlife matches up to the rest that we've seen in Asia, especially the street nightlife. Now, before jumping into what we did in Myeongdong, this is some of the desserts and foods we've already eaten. So far, Korea has had some amazing food like this corn dog, coffees that we've had, and so much more. This is our first street food experience. That reaction should say it all. This actually isn't
Okay, first bite. Let's try it. Sweet, spicy, savory, flavorful. 10 out of 10.
So if you've been to Japan, it does give Japan vibes. More so Osaka, like Osaka Umeda, than Tokyo Shinjuku or Shibuya, because it's not that big of like the electronics everywhere, but it is a lot of street food and vendors. So it's closer to that than it would be to like a Vietnam or Thai walking street. For food selection, I noticed it's more finger food or small snacks and dessert. You're gonna get like japchae, you're gonna get like kimchi wrapped in like corn dog stuff, and corn dogs and tanghulu. You're not really gonna get like a Thai street food market where you can get pad Thai or fried rice and all of that stuff.
I'm so excited. I love japchae. It's probably one of my favorites.
I mean, we had it yesterday. You still want it?
Yeah, I still want it. I was the one that ate all of it, pretty much. You had like
Exactly.
one
아니 밥이 왜 없는 거야? 아직 준비가 안 돼. 아, 오늘이니까. 내일 따오자. 빨리 따오자.
How much is that?
I give her 50.
Alright, I'm gonna try it.
니네 막내는 누군데?
That's not even up there in the top like 10 I've ever had. 605. Wasn't worth it. 8,000, that's like $6. Nah.
Funniest thing is we thought about buying this right here, but didn't, but we regret it.
Sold out? Oh.
7,000, so that's what, $5, $5.25, something like that. So I'm gonna try it. Give me my money. So you know it's a real review because I'm showing you the place before I even review it. So if it's bad or not, it is what it is. It's going in the review. Either way.
Thank you. Go. Thank you. Yes. Let's try it.
Before we get into us eating that, here's a 360 video that I think is a good treat for you, so make sure you watch, that I did walking through Myeongdong. There's so many different alleys, there's so many different shops. You can buy souvenirs, you can buy Korean skincare products, you can get massages, you can go have Korean barbecue or go get drinks, Starbucks, as you can see right here. There's so much to do. I say you need 2 to 3 hours. If you like to shop, you might need 3 to 4 hours. In this one, we actually walked around by not stopping. It actually took me about an hour to walk through everything, maybe 45 minutes, but I highly suggest you giving yourself some time. So the first day we came here, we actually walked around and did some stuff. The second day we came just to eat and try the foods. There was also a musical performance going on, some live music, some dancing, just people hanging out. Just beware, it is really crowded, and this is probably one of the most crowded places we've been to in Korea so far. Also, if you haven't watched our Korean tips video, go watch it. One of the tips that applies here is carry cash because they do not take card and you probably don't have their Korean Zelle Cash App platform. So carry cash on you so that you can enjoy the street food. If you're going to the stores, you can use card, but the street vendors that are all throughout, you can't use card.
This looks so good. Thank you. Is that the Yes, it is. Which one did you get?
I got the choco, but I'm actually now that I filled it.
Change it. All right. Okay. Thank you. Oh, first bite. Give it to us.
So good right now.
Honest review. Honest review.
Honest review. Where's the kadai?
Inside. It's stuffed.
Ooh.
Because I saw. No. Bite it. Okay. No expression.
It's like crispy, sweet. The inside is like not cooked that way. It feels like mochi. Kat is gonna really like this. This is actually really good. It's a little too hot for me to taste everything right now, which is why I'm not giving like my full reaction. It's too hot. Everything in Korea comes way too hot. Like everything.
You kind of like that though.
You can't taste it. It's too hot. You gotta let it cool down. Hold up. It's so good.
Hold on, hold on. Ooh.
Alright.
I'm taking this. Bye.
Gonna eat this and take it to go, but she drew a smiley face.
Cute.
Street_Crawford on Instagram if you want it. It's worth it. They all the same. Oh, he chose for us.
This is perfect. All right, finally we get a chance to try this. We've been seeing this everywhere. I'm such a sauce girl. I feel like I need sauce.
In front of the Wappin House, I think that's what it's called. It's interesting. It's like really sweet. It's good. It doesn't go together quite well, but there's protein in it. So
It's cheap.
just imagine like you're eating like cornbread with egg on top, basically.
I didn't like it very much, so I'm giving the rest to Makini.
Basically, if you want to eat dessert but make it healthy, like you want to be able to have an excuse, like at least they have protein. I wouldn't get it again.
So this is another the example from earlier of tteokbokki, and then you have the pork belly wrapped kimchi.
Cheese and sausage, please. 5,001.
What are you getting?
Getting a sausage and cheese corn dog. I really wanted the potato and sausage one, but it doesn't have any cheese inside, and I'd rather skip the potato and just get cheese. So about to taste. I don't know if I've had a Korean corn dog before, but it's like the rave. Sell it so much in the US, especially at the Korean coffee shops. So we're gonna give it a try here in Korea. Might be first time. I might have had it before. I'm not sure. Some things I would highlight is that some items are about the same price. Like I said, that chicken is about the same price. The only thing I did notice is stuff like the dumplings is more expensive.
For sure.
You only get 3 compared to normal places. Where we're staying at, you get 5 for how much? 3,000?
No, you get
8 for how much?
6,000.
6,000. And here it was 8,000 for 3? Something like that. 5,000 for 3. So you get more than double for the same price outside of here. Oh yeah. What'd you just say, Kat?
I was gonna say, tell our viewers that it stinks here.
Yeah, it's surprising because it's so clean, no bugs.
There's no rat.
Yesterday, it didn't smell like that yesterday.
It just smells like sewage.
But it, like
in
every
a lot
once
of
in a while,
different
it
areas.
smells like sewage, which is so weird because I don't see any open sewage drains. It's not like Bangkok I don't know, it's weird, but it did smell today. So there's also that. If you want to eat street food, just be aware that you might get some funky smells.
Overall, it's a fun little spot to go shopping and to just try different food. Now that you're fed and ready to explore, if you need some recommendations, watch our 6-day Seoul video right here.